Welcome back to UTech Exam Prep. And for today's video, we're going to be doing this question right here. So take a minute, pause the video here, and see if you can do it yourselves. So hopefully by now, you've at least read the question. So let's go through our answers real quick. For option A, we're adding a rule in ACM to publish a custom message to an Amazon SNS service. Well, just SNS. Now, this seems good at first, but the problem is ACM cannot actually send a message directly to SNS. So A just straight up does not work. And for option B, we use AWS config rule to check for the certificates that will expire within 30 days, which is fine. We configure Amazon Event Bridge to invoke a custom alert by way of Amazon SNS, which is also fine. And we send notification reports. So B is a fine answer that works perfectly well. So let's take a look at the other answers and see if we can find a simpler option. For option C, we're using AWS Trusted Advisor to check for certificates that will expire within 30 days. Now, unfortunately, this is not what Trusted Advisor does. Trusted Advisor actually checks for resource optimization and gives you like reports on how you can optimize using resources. So this is not even what Trusted Advisor does. So C will not work. And for option D, well, it is trying to configure a rule to invoke an AWS Lambda function. Now, this should immediately be a red flag, not because this would not work, because Lambda function would work in this scenario, but it's just that configuring a custom Lambda function like this will have a very high operational overhead and will almost never be the most efficient way, especially for situations like this where you have specific tools for the task. So B is going to be our most operationally efficient option and the correct option for this question, even though there are technically more operationally effective options than B. So that is going to be the end of this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.